multiple angle identities and sub-multiple angle identities. If A is the angle, then 2A, 3A, etc. are called multiple angles. A by 2, A by 3 are called sub-multiple angles of A. Okay. So, first double angle identities. So, if A is the angle, 2A is known as the double angle identities. So, for all trigonometric ratios, we are going to find the double angle identities. Sin 2A. What is sin 2A? Okay, so for here we are using sin A plus B formulae. So, sin A plus B or sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Here we take alpha and beta as A. So, sin A plus A. Sin A plus A will become sin 2A. Here sin A cos A plus sin A cos A again. Okay. Because alpha and beta equal to A. So, instead of alpha, I can substitute A. Instead of beta also, I can substitute A. So, sin A cos A 2 times here we are adding. That is equal to 2 sin A cos A. It is an important formula. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Likewise, we have to find all the double angle. Similarly, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Here also we are using cos alpha plus beta. Okay. So, cos alpha plus beta, alpha and beta are equal to A. So, cos A plus A, that is equal to cos A minus sin A, that is cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus 1 minus sin square A. So, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. With this identity, we found cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1, because cos square A only we are changing sin into cos. So, we get cos 2A in terms of cos. Similarly, again, if I write cos square A as 1 minus sin square A in the above identity, then cos 2A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So, cos 2A in terms of cos and cos 2A in terms of sin. All the three formulae for cos 2A you should know, and we will use it in the problems accordingly. So, tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So, here as well alpha plus beta, alpha and beta is equal to A. So, you have to substitute this in tan A plus B formula. So, tan A plus A, that is tan 2A is equal to tan A plus tan A by 1 minus tan A, that is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. This is an important identity. Now, sin 2A again, sin 2A in terms of tan A. So, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A, the first identity, multiple angle, double angle identity here we are using, and finding another formula, that is sin in terms of tan. Tan value kudutha sin 2A value you can find using this formula. These are all very simple. You have to do it in your notebook also, and you should know the derivations for all identity. Sometimes they may ask this. Similarly, power reducing identities. So, here we have cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. With this identity, I bring cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A divided by 2. How? 2 cos square is A is equal to cos 2A plus 1. The minus 1 anga pogumbodhu plus 1 ayirum. That is 1 plus cos 2A. Then this 2, if I cross multiply this 2, this will become cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A divided by 2. Similarly, for all the three, sin square A, cos square A and tan square A, we are having power reducing identities. What it is power reducing identities? While solving some expression, if I don't want the power, that is sin square A, cos square A, tan square A, appadi vendam. if I feel like that, then I can use the power reducing identities and then I'll take the power. Instead of sin square a, I substitute this. Instead of cos square a, we can substitute this. Instead of tan square a, we can substitute this. So these identities are known as power reducing identities. Now triple angle identities. Using the double angle identities, we can derive the triple angle identities. That is sin 3a. I want to calculate. So sin 3a, I write sin 3a as sin 2a plus a. So sin a plus b formula here also I am using, and then after deriving this, we will get sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Similarly, we have to find the triple angle identities for cos 3a and tan 3a. So this is the double and triple angle identities we have found. So learn all the identities by heart so that you can use them while solving the problems. Half angle identity. In this table you can find all the half angle identities here. So how will you get a half angle identity? We are using double angle identity formula to calculate half angle identity. So instead of a, you have to substitute a by 2, or instead of theta, you have to substitute theta by 2 in the given identity, given double angle identity. So sin 2a, that is sin theta, a by 2 pota, a will get cancelled, so it is theta. 2 sin theta by 2, instead of a, here we have theta by 2, and here as well, instead of a, theta by 2. That is the half angle identity. So instead of the theta, you have to substitute half of theta. So we get the double angle identity, half angle identity. Similarly, in all the identities you can find this tan 2a. Tan 2a, that is equal to tan theta, 2 tan theta by 2 in the numerator. Here instead of a, theta by 2. Similarly, in the denominator as well, 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This is known as the half angle identities. First problem in exercise 3.5. Find the values of cos 2a where a lies in the first quadrant when cos a equal to 15 by 17. Cos a, value of cos a is given, we have to find cos 2a. Okay, so here we are going to use the multiple angle formula, double angle formula. So cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Why did we choose this formula? Because we are having the cos a value, so you can substitute that value here. That's only we have chosen this value, this formula. So 2 into 15 by 17, instead of cos a, I have substituted 15 by 17, the whole square minus 1. What is 15 square? It is 225. 17 square is 289 minus 1. Then after simplification, you get 161 divided by 289. Similarly, in the second subdivision, sin a value is given. What is sin a? It is 4 by 5. So we have to find cos 2a. So cos 2a in terms of sin a. We have to find, but which formula you can choose? Cos 2a formula in terms of sin a. So that you can substitute this value. So 1 minus 2 sin square a, that is 1 minus 2 into 4 by 5 the whole square. 1 minus 2 into 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So it is 32 by 25. After simplification you get it is minus 7 by 25. Third subdivision, tan a equal to 16 by 23. We have to find cos 2a. So cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Tan a value is 16 by 63. So 1 minus 16 by 63 the whole square divided by 1 plus 16 by 63 the whole square. So you can expand it. 16 square is 256, 63 square is 3969. Similarly, in the denominator also. So, in the numerator and denominator we can take 3969 as LCM. So, both the denominators will get cancelled. In the numerator it will become 3969 minus 256. In the denominator 3969 plus 256. The simplification you get 3713 divided by 4225. Second question. If theta is the acute angle, then find first subdivision sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2 when sin theta equal to 1 by 25. So, first let us take sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2. I will expand it according to sin A minus B formula. So, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, I am taking squares on both sides. So, it will become sin square pi by 4 minus theta by 2 and this is the whole expression, the whole square. So, sin pi by 4 is, pi is 180. So, 180 divided by 4 it is 45. So, sin 45 it is 1 by root 2 cos theta by 2 minus 1 by root 2 sin theta by 2 the whole square. Here we have 1 by root 2 on both the terms. So, I can take it outside. 1 by root 2 the whole square cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 the whole square. A minus B the whole square. So, I expanded A square plus B square minus 2AB. 1 by root 2 square, that is 1 by 2. So, cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 minus 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is equal to 1. So, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So, 1 minus, what about this? 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2, that is 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. Here I have 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So, here sin 2 into, in the place of A we have theta by 2. So, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Here we have sin theta. So, it is 1 minus sin theta, half into 1 minus sin theta. So, we have the value of sin theta. So, half into 1 minus 1 by 25, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 25 minus 1 divided by 25. We take 25 as LCM. So, it is 24. Half into 24 by 25. 2 and 24 will get cancelled. It is 12 by 25. So, sin square pi by 4 minus theta by 2 is equal to 12 by 25. But we need sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So, we have to take the square root. Square root of 12 by 25. That is square root of 12 by square root of 25. Square root of 12, I can write 12 as 4 into 3. 4. So, 2 root 3. 4 I can take outside. If I take it outside from root, it will become 2. So, 2 root 3 divided by 5, and this is the value of sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Second part is left to you, the same method. So, you do it as your work. Third question, if cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus 1 by A, show that cos 3 theta is 1 by 2 into A cube plus 1 by A cube. So, given cos theta equal to half A plus 1 by A, we have to find cos 3 theta. What is the formula for cos 3 theta? Multiple angle or triple angle formula. So, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So, 4 into cos cube theta, that is half into A plus 1 by A the whole cube, minus 3 into cos theta. Cos theta is 1 by 2 into A plus 1 by A. Okay. So, to calculate this, first we have to find the value of A plus 1 by 3 the whole cube. A plus 1 by A the whole cube, that is A plus B the whole cube formula. I am using the identity A plus B the whole cube, that is A cube plus 3A square into 1 by A plus 3A into 1 by A square. plus 1 by a cube. So, a and a will get cancelled here. So, a cube plus 3a. Here a and a will get cancelled. So, it is 3 by a plus 1 by a cube. Okay, I am regrouping it. A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. In these two terms, I take 3 as common. So, 3 into a plus 1 by a. Okay, now we are substituting this in 1. So, 1 implies 4 into 1 by 2 the whole cube. So, it is 1 by 8 into a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a minus 3 by 2 into a plus 1 by a. Instead of this, I have substituted this. Okay. So, minus 3 by 2 into a plus 1 by a. Now, 4 and 8 you can simplify. 1 4 is 4 and 2 4s are 8. So, here it is while multiplying it inside, this will become half into a cube plus 1 by a cube. This 1 by 2 is common for both these two terms, isn't it? For this and this. So, this will become 1 by 2 into a cube plus 1 by a cube. Here, while multiplying with this, it will become 3 by 2. 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a. Here, minus 3 by 2 into a plus 1 by a. So, plus 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a and minus 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a will get cancelled. So, you get half into a cube plus 1 by a cube. That is our right hand side, and hence we have proved the result. Prove that cos phi theta is equal to 16 cos per phi theta minus 20 cos cube theta plus 5 cos theta. So, left hand side cos phi theta is equal to, we have to prove cos phi theta is equal to this expression. Okay. So, first we will take the left hand side, that is cos phi theta. So, cos phi theta is equal to cos 3 theta plus 2 theta. I split phi theta as 3 theta plus 2 theta. So, cos A plus B formula. Cos A plus B is equal to what it is. I hope you have learnt all the identities. Without learning the identities, you couldn't solve any problems here in trigonometry. If it is a regular class, I am sure that you will be thorough with all the identities. But girls, now you take effort and learn all the identities so that you can solve the problems. So, cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So, cos here 3 theta is our A and 2 theta is our B. So, cos 3 theta cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta sin 2 theta. What is cos 3 theta? Here again I am using multiple angle identities, that is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. What is our cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1, another identity, minus 3 sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So, for this 4 values, we are using the multiple angles formula. Okay. So, now you can multiply it inside. So, for 4 cos cube theta into 2 cos square theta, this will become 8 cos per phi theta. While multiplying this with 1, you get minus 4 cos cube theta. First I multiply this. Now, 3 cos theta, I am multiplying this with 3 cos theta. So, 6 cos cube theta, minus and minus it will be plus. So, plus 3 cos theta. Here 3 sin theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. So, 3 2s are 6 minus 6 sin square theta cos theta. Here minus into minus it will be plus. 4 2s are 8 sin per 4, inga cube anga 1. So, sin per 4 theta into cos theta. Okay. So, 8 cos per phi theta, cos cube theta, here minus 4 cos cube theta and minus 6 cos cube theta. This 2 will become minus 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta. Here minus 6 cos theta into sin square theta. I write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta plus 8 cos theta into, I write sin as 1 minus cos square theta the whole square because it is sin power 4. So sin power 4 can be written as sin square theta the whole square. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Why we are changing it? Because in the expression, in the question, we need to find this expression. It has only cos, no sin is there. So I am changing all the sin values into cos values using this identity. Okay, so 1 minus cos square theta. While multiplying this, first let's expand this. 1 minus cos square theta the whole square, that is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Then we can multiply it with 8 cos theta. 8 cos power 5 theta minus 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta. Here we have to multiply minus 6 cos theta with this. So minus 6 cos theta, while multiplying this minus into minus it will be plus. So plus 6 cos cube theta. Here plus 8 cos theta. While multiplying with this minus 16 cos cube theta. Here cos theta, here cos square. So it is cos cube theta plus 8 cos power 5 theta because cos theta, here cos power 4. You can write a separate step for this ma. Okay, if you want you can write. So now 16 cos power 5 theta. So here 8 cos power 5, here 8 cos power 5. So 8 plus 8, it is 16 cos power 5 theta minus 20 cos cube theta. Here minus 10 cos cube theta and then here minus 16 cos cube theta. Here 6 cos cube theta. So minus 10 into minus 16, while adding this to it will become minus 26. So minus 26 plus 6, it will be obviously it will be minus 20 cos cube theta plus 5 cos theta. So 3 cos theta, 8 cos theta minus 6 cos theta. While adding this 8 plus 3 it is 11, 11 minus 6 it is 5, 5 cos theta. That is our right hand side, that is what we have to prove. So hence we have proved the result. Prove that sin 4 alpha is equal to 4 tan alpha into 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha the whole square. We have to prove this two expressions are equal. First let's take the left hand side, that is sin 4 alpha. Sin 4 alpha, I write this as sin 2 into 2 alpha. 4 alpha was split பண்ணியாச்சு. 2 into 2 alpha. What is the formula for sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Here in the place of theta we have 2 alpha. So sin 2 alpha. So I write it as 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Hope you can understand. In the place of theta, here we have 2 alpha. So sin 2 theta na 2 sin theta cos theta. So theta place la 2 alpha irukkiradunala 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. You have to write like this. Here we have to prove this expression is equal to this, and here we have only tan. Tan mattum da irukku. So I write the identities for sin 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha in terms of tan. Okay, I am rewriting this 2 as in terms of tan. That is 2 into 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Cos 2 alpha is 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. 2 into 2 it is 4. 4 tan alpha into 1 minus tan square alpha. In the denominator it is 1 plus tan square alpha into 1 plus tan square alpha. So it is 1 plus tan square alpha the whole square, and that is our right hand side. If a plus b equal to 45, show that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Here it is given that a plus b is equal to 45. As we have tan here, I take tan a plus b. So, a plus b I am applying on both the sides. I take tan on both the sides. So, it is tan a plus b equal to tan 45. So, tan a plus b is equal to tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? And it is 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So, tan a plus b is equal to 1. Here, we can use tan a plus b formulae. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. So, tan a plus b, I write tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to 1. Now, we can cross multiply the denominator to the opposite side. Isn't it? So, tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, cross multiply pannadunala, it is 1 into the denominator. So, 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, we will keep this as it is. Okay, now let us take the left hand side. What is our left hand side? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. So, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. You can multiply it. 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus tan a, it is tan a. Now, 1 plus tan b, it is tan b. Tan a into tan b, that is tan a tan b. Just multiplication. So, 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b. But here we have tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. So, tan a instead of tan a plus tan b, I write 1 minus tan a plus tan b. So, 1 plus 1 minus tan a tan b plus tan a tan b. Already we are having plus tan a tan b here. So, minus tan a tan b and plus tan a tan b will get cancelled. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and that is our right hand side. It is a very important and simple problem. Okay. 7th one, 1 plus tan 1 degree, 1 plus tan 2 into 1 plus tan 3 degree etc. 1 plus tan 44 degree is a multiple of 4. So, here we have to prove that this expression is a multiple of 4. That means its value is a number that can be divisible by 4. We have from in the previous problem, we have an important result. If a plus b equal to 45 degree, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. If the sum of a and b add பண்ணும்போது அது 45 ஆச்சுதுன்னா, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. So, I take this expression 1 plus tan 1 degree, 1 plus tan 2 degree etc. up to 1 plus tan 43 degree into 1 plus tan 44 degree is equal to, so I am regrouping 1 plus tan 1 into 1 plus tan 44. Similarly, 1 plus tan 2 into 1 plus tan 43. So, 1 plus tan 1 into 1 plus tan 44. If we add this 1 and 44, I get 45. Similarly, tan 2, 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 43. If I add this 2 and 43, I get again 45. So, I regroup it and etc. up to 1 plus tan 22 degree into 1 plus tan 23 degree. If I add 22 and 23, again I get 45. So, add பண்ணும்போது 45 வர மாதிரி regroup பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Okay. Now, value of this is equal to 2 into value of this also is equal to 2 etc. up to 22 times 22 வரைக்கும் வரும். Okay. So, value of this is 2 and this one is also 2. What will be the next expression? 1 plus tan 3 degree into 1 plus tan 42 degree இருக்கும். அதோட value 2. Okay, like that if we go, it is 22 times we have the multiple of 2. So, that is 2 power 22. I write 22 as 2 power 11. So, 2 into 11. So, 2 square power 11. 2 square is 4, 4 power 11. So, obviously, this is a multiple of 4. Eighth one, prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 2 tan 2 theta. I take the left hand side, that is tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta. So, tan A plus B, that is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, tan A plus B formula. Here tan A minus B formula, I expand this 2 with tan A plus B and tan A minus B formulas. Okay. So, tan pi by 4, what is the value of tan pi by 4? Pi is 180 degree. 180 by 4, it is tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So, tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus, here as well we have 1. So, tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. Tan pi by 4 value 1. So, we will take 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta as LCM. So, 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. In the numerator, it is, we have to multiply this with 1 plus tan theta. So, 1 plus tan theta the whole square minus, here we have to multiply it with 1 minus tan theta. So, 1 minus tan theta the whole square. Now, I am here in the denominator 1 plus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta, that is A plus B, A minus B. We can expand it as A square minus B square, that is 1 minus tan square theta. What about the numerator? We have to expand it in the form A plus B the whole square. Here A minus B the whole square. So, 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta. Here minus of 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 tan theta. Here while multiplying the minus inside, it will become minus 1. So, 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. This will become minus tan square theta. Here we have plus tan square. So, plus tan square minus tan square will become 0. So, 2 tan theta minus into minus, it is plus, isn't it? So, 4 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. We have to prove that it is equal to 2 tan theta, 2 tan 2 theta. So, I split 4 as 2 into 2. 2 into 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So, 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta. So, 2 into tan 2 theta, and that is our RHS. That is what we have to prove. Ninth one, show that cot 7.5 degree is equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. It is an important problem. So, cot 7.5, I take the LHS 7.5. I write 7.5 as 15 by 2. So, cot 15 by 2 degree. I write cot as cos theta by sin theta, that is cos 15 by 2 sin 15 by 2. I multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 cos theta. Okay. So, 2 cos 15 by 2, here theta is 15 by 2. So, 2 cos 15 by 2 divided by 2 cos 15 by 2. If I multiply the numerator and denominator by the same value, the whole value does not change. Now, in the numerator, it is 2 cos square 15 by 2. 2 into cos square 15 by 2. So, 2 cos square 15 by 2. Here in the denominator, 2 sin theta cos theta. That is 2 sin 15 by 2 cos 15 by 2. 2 sin 15 by 2 cos 15 by 2 means it is sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta, now it is sin 2 theta. So, I write the denominator as sin 2 into 15 by 2, sin 2 theta. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so it will become sin 15. Similarly, in the numerator we have 2 cos square theta. I have another identity, 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, I want 2 cos square theta, inga 2 cos square theta irukkiradnala 2 cos square theta is equal to cos 2 theta plus 1 or 1 plus cos theta. In the minus 1 inga pogumbodhu plus 1 aayidhu. So, I write 2 cos square 15 by 2 as 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 into or theta 15 by 2. So, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, it will become 1 plus cos 15 divided by sin 15. Now, if we know the value of cos 15 and sin 15, then we will prove this. So, first we are going to calculate it. So, cos 15. Cos 15 is cos, I write 15 as 45 minus 30. So, cos 45 minus 30, that is cos 45 cos 30 cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Substituting all the ratios and I get root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Similarly, now for sin 15. So, sin 45 minus 30. What is sin A minus B? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. So, substituting all the values, I get root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now, we have the value of sin 15 and cos 15 and we can substitute it in 1. So, substituting 2 and 3 in 1, I get cot 7.5 degree is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So, 2 root 2, we can take 2 root 2 as LCM in the numerator. So, it will become 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So, we can cancel 2 root 2 in the numerator and denominator. So, 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 is what we have now. Now, I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator by its conjugate. Root 3 minus 1 oda conjugate root 3 plus 1. So, I am multiplying the numerator and denominator by it. So, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So, a plus b into a minus b. So, a square minus b square. A square na root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. 1 square is 1. So, 3 minus 1, that is 2. In the numerator, we have to multiply these two expressions. So, 2 root 2 into root 3, that is 2 root 6. 2 root 2 into 1, that is 2 root 2. Now, root 3 into root 3, it is 3. Root 3 into 1. 1 into root 3 and 1 into 1. What we have now. So, 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2. Root 3 plus root 3, it is 2 root 3. 3 plus 1, it is 4. Whole thing divided by 2. Now, in the numerator, we can take 2 as common. So, 2 into root 6, root 2, root 3 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, what we have now? Root 6, 2, the 2 ulla kondu vandachu, 2, root 3 plus root 2. I can write 2 as root 4. So, root 6 plus root 4 plus root 3 plus root 2. That is what we have to prove. That is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. And that is our right hand side. Hence, we have proved the result. It is just a simplification. But in order to bring in this form, we are doing some alterations in this. Okay. First, we are using the two identities and changing cot and then finding the value of cos 15 and sin 15 and then substituting these two values and doing some calculations. Then we will get the right hand side expression. 10th one, prove that 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 4 theta etc. up to 1 plus secant 2 per n theta is equal to tan 2 per n theta into cot theta. So, first let us take 1 plus secant 2 theta. 1 plus secant 2 theta. Well, that is 1 plus 1 by cos 2 theta. Secant is 1 by cos. So, 1 by cos 2 theta. Here, I use another identity, multiple double angle identity, that is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Why did I choose this identity? Because we need to prove this expression is equal to tan 2 per n theta into cot theta. Tan la da irukku. Tan cot is its inverse. So, I choose this identity. 1 divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now, its reciprocal, that is 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta. There is a fraction in the denominator, so I can multiply it with its reciprocal. So, 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Here we use this identity. Now, let us take LCM as 1 minus tan square theta. So, 1 minus tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta. So, plus tan square theta minus tan square theta will get cancelled. 1 plus 1, it is 2 divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Here that is 2 divided by 1. Here we are using another identity, that is tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. With this I get 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 2 tan theta by tan 2 theta. Okay, so 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by tan 2 theta. So, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Here, instead of 1 minus tan square theta, I write 2 tan theta by tan 2 theta. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, the reciprocal, that is tan 2 theta by tan theta. So, 1 plus secant theta is equal to tan 2 theta by tan theta. Now, let us take 1 plus secant 4 theta. So, 1 plus secant, I write 4 theta as 2 into 2 theta. So, if I simplify this with the same method, I get tan 2 into 2 theta. Instead of theta, here we have 2 theta. So, tan 2 into 2 theta divided by tan 2 theta. சரி, எங்கே theta இருக்கிற இடத்துல இங்கே 2 theta இருக்குது, 2 into 2 theta. Okay, so tan 2 into 2 theta divided by tan 2 theta. Similarly, for 1 plus secant 8 theta, I get 1 plus secant 2 into 4 theta. So, tan 2 into 4 theta divided by tan 4 theta. Here I write this 4 as 2 square. Here also 2 square. So, similarly, while simplifying like this, I get 1 plus secant 2 per n theta is equal to 1 plus secant 2 into 2 per n minus 1 theta. இல்லையா, இங்கே 2க்கு இங்கே 2 square, 2 cube அப்படியே போய் 2 per n minus 1 theta. That is equal to tan 2 per n theta divided by tan 2 per n minus 1 theta. இங்கே 2 square, இங்கே 2. So, it is as a whole, it is 2 cube. Here 2 square. So, இங்கே 2 per n numerator, in the denominator it is 2n minus 1. So, now I take the left hand side, that is 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 4 theta into 1 plus secant 8 theta, etc. up to 1 plus secant 2 per n theta. So, it is tan 2 theta by 2, tan 2 into 2 theta by 2 theta, எல்லாம் அதே இதில் எழுதிடுறோம். Okay, so all of the terms here, tan 2 theta will get cancelled. Tan 2 into 2 theta, tan 4 theta will get cancelled. Similarly, all the terms will get cancelled except 1 by tan theta and tan per 2n theta. இந்த கீழே உள்ளது இதுவும் தவிர மீதி அந்த terms எல்லாம் cancel ஆகிடும். So, that is equal to 1 by tan theta into tan per 2n theta. That is tan per 2n theta into 1 by tan, I write it as cot theta. That is our right hand side. 11th one, prove that 32 root 3 sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48, cos pi by 24, cos pi by 12, cos pi by 6 is equal to 3. Let's take the left hand side. 32 root 3 sin, okay, the whole expression. I write 32 as 2 into 16. 2 into 16, I write 32 as 2 into 16. So, 16 root 3, I join this 2 with this 2 expression, the sin pi by 48 and cos pi by 48. So, 2 into sin pi by 48, cos pi by 48. Remaining terms will come as it is. So, 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equal to sin 2 theta. Isn't it? We know an identity. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin A cos A. So, using this identity, I write 2 sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48 as sin 2 theta. Here theta is pi by 48. So, sin 2 into pi by 48. While simplifying, this will become 24. Okay. So, in the next step, I split 16 as 2 into 8. So, 8 root 3, 2 sin pi by 24 cos pi by 24. So, 2 sin theta cos theta. Again, using the same identity, it is sin 2 theta. Here theta is pi by 24. So, sin 2 into pi by 24. While simplifying, this will become 12. Now, we are going to club this 2. Similarly, 8 root 3, 4 root 3 into 2. So, 2 sin pi by 12 cos pi by 12. Cos pi by 6 மட்டும் அப்படியே. So, 2 sin pi by 12 cos pi by 12, that is sin 2 theta. That is sin 2 pi by 12. 2 வையும் pi by 12 ஐயும் cancel பண்ணா, it will become 6. So, 4 root 3 into sin pi by 6 cos pi by 6. What is pi by 6? Pi by 6 is 180 by 6. That is equal to 30. We know the value of sin 30 and cos 30. So, 4 root 3 into sin 30, 1 by 2, cos 30, root 3 by 2. So, 2 are 4. Root 3 into root 3, it is 3. So, that is our right hand side, and hence we have proved the result.